Are you wondering what size staples or brad nails you can use in your DeWALT heavy duty staple gun? Let me help you out. Now, if you've lost the packaging, here's the back of the packaging, what comes with your heavy duty staple gun. So you can see here the size of your staples. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sizes, all the way from 6mm all the way up to 14mm. And here at the top is the brad nails, 12mm to 15mm, and the brands what fit it: DeWALT, Stanley and Arrow. If you've lost the packaging, obviously here's a picture of it, but if you want to remember when you're on site or something like that, flip the heavy duty stapler over, and here on the back should be the size of the staples and the brad nails. This is exactly the same on the DeWALT 5-in-1 stapler. Flip it over and look on the back here, should be the size of the staples and brad nails. So hopefully that helps you out how to choose the size of your staples or brad nails on the heavy duty DeWALT staple gun.